Hi YouTubers, in the woods this morning after the winds and the storm and harvesting wood. I've got a piece. Well, I'm back home now after collecting some wood. We've been in the woods, and the reason we've been in the woods, we wanted to get some more wood to make things with, and one of the issues being we've had such high winds and rain, it's brought a load of branches down and things like that. So we've been in the woods and we cut some wood, and I'm going to make a few bits and pieces, and I think I'm going to make some bowls from this piece of wood. I'm not very good at identifying wood, but this is what I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm doing is getting a nice straight piece of wood out of this. I'm hoping I get two like bowls. I'm using with these bow saws. I'm just sawing through it, and then this will go on the lathe, and then I should take the bark off and have a look how good the wood is. First job is finding the centre of the wood, each end, as best as possible, and on a slow speed is to remove the bark and try and get it as round like a cylinder, and it has to be done very gently, as it one, not to damage the lathe, and two, it could come off unless it's attached very firmly. Now, I'm not an expert at this, I'm still learning, but I tend to start one end and work myself along the wood. There's a flat spot there, you can see, but I get as much of it off as on the first run, and then it's more balanced the rounder it gets on. It doesn't shake so much on the lathe. Well, it don't look too bad as a first or second pass with the chisels. Yeah, might make something out of that. I've started on the inside of the bowl or vase. Don't take long to make one. Rain stop play. Literally.